Lucknow, a city shaped by centuries of wellness and care, I noticed something missing. We come from a land that has always understood self care, that is slow, thoughtful, and deeply human. Yet, somewhere along the way, luxury beauty lost its heart. Why couldn't self care be both effective and kind? That's when Naftan Beauty was born. I realized I couldn't launch a brand that didn't align with my core values. The Indian market deserved luxury products that were beautiful, effective, and guaranteed to be 100% cruelty free. That belief shapes everything we create, from carefully chosen ingredients to formulas that feel luxurious and work beautifully. Naftan is an Arabic Persian inspired word meaning oil. The brand draws inspiration from this idea. Our ingredients are thoughtfully derived from plants and natural sources, chosen for their ability to care for the skin. Every product is vegan, cruelty free, and designed to deliver nourishment and comfort without compromise. Naftan is a brand rooted in care and tradition. It is a place where self care is thoughtful, luxury is kind. Each product is handmade in small batches, made with care to ensure freshness, quality, and a natural glow for our customers. By doing this, we prove that our goal is simple: to leave every customer smiling and completely satisfied while caring for the environment. Like many girls in India, I also struggled with sensitive skin for so long, and nothing from commercial brands seemed to work for me. That's when I decided to take matters into my own hands. I began creating natural products for myself and a few friends, crafting them in small batches with care. The response was really incredible. The products were gentle, effective, and suited all skin types. Seeing my friends and family happy with something that I made sparked the idea to share these creations with the world. And that's how the journey of a brand began. With the launch of the brand, the real hustle began. From selecting ingredients and perfecting formulas, crafting each product by hand, organizing product shoots in a way that truly reflected their essence, to managing every detail on our website was hectic, exhausting, and challenging. I know that feeling of uncertainty is common for anyone starting a new business. But imagine a girl from a tier 2 city in India with no prior business experience building a brand entirely on her own. If I could do it, so can you. Soon after, we made our first ever offline appearance at Sanat Kada, a cultural and arts celebration organized by the Sanat Kada Trust to promote Lucknow's creative traditions. The response was incredible. People tried our products, loved them, and shared glowing reviews. Our followers spiked in a single day, and our DMs were flooded with customer orders. Since that day, there's been no looking back, and the support from our customers continues to motivate us every single day.
Thank you for being here, really. It means a lot to share this side of Naftan with you.